Alright guys, what is the importance of Ashtaka Varga in our horoscope? Okay, so Ashtaka Varga system is the kind of Vedic astrology system that is one of the principle in Vedic astrology as per Sage Parashara Hora Shastra. Ashtaka Varga is basically a score or strength that is determined based upon the planetary alignment in your birth chart. So we'll be making certain calculations, certain Vedic calculations by using Vedic mathematics, and we'll be providing certain score for each and every planet and for each and every house in your birth chart. Okay, your birth chart will be having 12 compartments. Each house represents certain area of your life, as I mentioned to you, and each planetary alignment in the birth chart represents something in your life. So for each planet, we'll be giving certain score depending upon the zodiac sign it's situating, depending upon the aspects it is receiving, depending upon the lordship those planets are having. We'll be giving certain score to each and every planet and each and every house. So any score, and for each and every house, the planetary score will be 35 points, the maximum 36 points actually. Okay, so if at all you are getting the score above 27, it is considered as excellent. It is considered as that house is giving you enough of its blessing to you. Okay, so that planet is giving enough of blessing to you. Any score between 24 to 27 is considered as average score. Okay, any score below 24 is considered as poor. For some people, they'll be getting the Ashtaka score as 12, 15, 18, 19. These are all considered as low scores, and you might face adverse effects because of those planets in your birth chart. And if at all Ashtaka score is beyond 27, that is considered as far excellent, and you don't need to do any remedy for those planets, because those planets are naturally providing its positive effects in your life. So, and how you get Ashtaka score? Ashtaka chart will be provided to you if at all you book for the consultation. Once you book for the consultation, I will be providing you the Ashtaka scores by doing the Vedic calculations based upon principles of Sage Parashara, Hora Shastra, and Bhuvanandinadi. So based on that, and Saravali and Hora Sara, all these sacred texts also will be verified before giving the Ashtaka score. So Ashtaka score is basically determining the strength of the planets in your birth chart. And we'll be considering about the Lagna, the zodiac signs lordship, what are the aspects it is receiving, what are the nakshatras that each planet is staying. All those things will be verified, and then only we'll be providing the Ashtaka score for you. Ashtaka score is very, very important. You don't need to go into a lot of analysis into the planetary alignment. Just by looking at the Ashtaka score, we can determine which planet is strong and which planet is weaker in the birth chart. Okay, and also we'll be taking the consideration of conjunctions as well, whether the planet is conjunct with any of the benefic planets or malefic planets, whether the lordship of those planets is sitting in the malefic signs. Okay, let's say your malefic signs like Jupiter in the Capricorn. Okay, and let's say Mars in the Cancer. These are all considered as debilitation. That means the planet is losing its energy. So automatically the score will be less. The score will be less for those planets. That means you might face some adverse effects from those planets in their planetary periods, of course. Okay. So Ashtaka score is very, very important in terms of determining the planetary strength, in terms of determining the house strength in the birth chart. Alright. So thank you so much, and get the Ashtaka score report once you book for the consultation. Once you book for the consultation, we'll be able to help you with Ashtaka score, and we'll be telling you which planet is stronger, which planet is weaker in the birth chart. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this video, and if at all you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your birth chart. And if at all you're watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And there are so many videos on my YouTube channel on Vedic astrology. Please do watch those videos also. Each and every video is a gold mine for you, and please enjoy watching those videos and learn Vedic astrology. But don't experiment your birth chart by watching the videos, because your birth chart has to be verified with an expert astrologer who know astrology thoroughly, and so that he can able to help you with the analysis. And don't simply experiment just by watching one or two videos. Okay, you got to actually check completely. All the things has to be considered before giving the prediction. What is the lordship of the each zodiac sign? What aspects the planets are receiving? Whether it's a debilitated sign, exalted sign, whether any planets are in retrograde, whether any planets got combusted. All these things has to be taken into consideration before providing the analysis for your birth chart. So do book for the consultation and I'll see you in the consultation. Alright, bye for now.